Nancy Fetzer's Literacy Connections, Independent Centers for Emergent Reading. Well, hello, my little reading buddies. This is Ella, here with your letter of the week. Your letter for this week is J. Say it with me. J. Great job! My friends Chase and Oliver are here to help you learn and practice the sound for the letter J. Are you ready, readers? Here we go. This is the capital J, and this is the lowercase j. The letter J makes the sound J. Say the sound with me, friends. J. Fabulous! Now, let's practice. This is a jump rope. Jump rope begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jump rope. Try it with me. J. J. Jump rope. Ooh la la! That was fancy. Okay, kiddos. This is a jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jack-o'-lantern. Let's do it together. J. J. Jack-o'-lantern. Wow! And this is a jack-in-the-box. Jack-in-the-box begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jack-in-the-box. Read it with me. J. J. Jack-in-the-box. What super reading! Jack-in-the-boxes are such scary toys. Oh, Oliver, have a little fun. This jack-o'-lantern just popped right out at me. Let's do some more. This is a jar. Jar begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jar. All together now. J. J. Jar. Super job! And these are jelly beans. Jelly beans begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jelly beans. Try it with me. J. J. Jelly beans. Wonderful work! Now this is jolly good fun. Jelly beans for everyone. What a joyful way to spend the day. These jelly beans jangle nicely in their jar as they are falling into my mouth. Look at these fun pictures. This is a jacket. Jacket begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jacket. Let's read together. J. J. Jacket. Fantastic! And this is a jet. Jet begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jet. Now you try it with me. J. J. Jet. That was awesome! I'm taking a journey to the moon with my new jetpack. My feet will stay on the ground as I wave jovially to my pals. Taking a little jaunt in my jumbo jet. Here's our last set of pictures for the letter J. This is jelly. Jelly begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jelly. Read it with me. J. J. Jelly. Brilliant! And this is a jump rope. Jump rope begins with J. Listen. J. J. Jump rope. All together now. J. J. Jump rope. Such smart little readers you are. Help! I'm all jumbled up in this jump rope. Teddy bear, turn around. The jelly in this jar is just delicious. Okie dokie, little reading buddies. Now it's time for us to practice reading with the letter J. Are you ready? Great! Let's get to it. So, when we see the capital J, we will say the letter name, J. And when we see the lowercase j, we will say the sound that the letter makes, J. And when we see a picture, we will say the name of the picture, jump rope. Now let's read together. Here we go. J. J. Jump rope. J. 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 Jelly. J. 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 Jacket. J. J. Jelly beans. J. 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 Jackolantern. J. 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 Jack in the box. J. 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 Jet. J. J. What a perfect job! Your letter for this week is J. This is the capital J. And this is the lowercase j. The letter J makes the sound J. Make sure you practice.